She won't let him in. This is fine. I'll sit out here and have a cigarette. Sitting on a flower pot.
Yeah. Sitting on a fence.
You're just sitting on a flower pot.
Oh, yeah, they're taking that stuff out, honey.
Maybe they have to redo it. Look at her.
Oh, she's got hung up. Her foot. Oh, okay, she got out. What did you say, Bo? Bobo, what did you say? Want to get the birdie? Where's the squirrel? Where's that squirrel? Watch him. Watch the squirrel. Watch the squirrel. Where's she at? Come on, get the squirrel. Get that squirrel.
They're hanging around. I wish I knew what they were doing. Taking stuff out.
Reconstruction.
There's not that much in there. That's just...
They must like what it is. I don't think they count how much. They take what they like.
But it's so sparse.
What did you say? Shh. What did you say, Bo? You're funny. You farted. You farted. You little shit.
He's so musical.
Hey, Bo. Bo, you're talking like an asshole. Yeah, I'm talking. Yes, I'm talking to you. The tail.
He makes squeakers.
The tail. Yeah, Bo. Such a good boy. Get that nose up there. Come on.
You sit on your own whistle.
Bobo. Mommy making fun out of you. The pretty boy. That's a pretty boy.
He said, I'm glad you're so pleased.
You tell him. Tell him, Bo. Tell him. What do you want? We'll go out to... We'll get the squirrel. Ooh, birdies.
He's got all hung up on his lip. Look at it.
Watch. Come here. Come here. He's that. You scared that birdie. You know, I'd like to get it where it's not through this filtered door. It would be much, much nicer.
Then you'd have to open the door.
Yeah, but with the noise.
Yeah.
With this here big noise machine. Hey. Watch him.
He sits on his whistle.
Come here. I'm gonna get you.
He's a whistle sitter.
Watch him. Go and get the squirrel. Go and get the squirrel.
I gotta go make a couple of phone calls.
Oh, you poor boy. Mama let you out. Mama let you out.
No, Mom's not letting him out.
Go get Mom. Go ahead. Go get her.